Hi, good evening to all. Welcome to my channel. Today we will solve the algebra. Okay, read the question here. That a comma b comma c be non-zero real numbers. A, B, C, three are the non-zero real numbers that satisfy 1 by a b c plus 1 by a plus 1 by c is equal to 1 by b. A relation between a, b and c is given. So find the maximum value of the expression 4 by a square plus 1, 4 by b square plus 1 plus 7 by c square plus 1. So we have to find the maximum value of this expression based on the relation between a, b and c, where a comma b comma c are the non-zero real numbers. That is the question. So what I am doing here is, in this question some algebraic manipulation is required, and also the relation between a, b and c is important here. So we have to observe the relation between a, b and c. So by observing that one, if any substitution is possible, so go for the substitution, whether it is trigonometric substitution or logarithmic substitution or exponential substitution, whatever it is. So to simplify that one, that is the important thing here. So I am taking 1 by ABC plus 1 by A plus 1 by C is equal to 1 by B. So from this, what I am doing here is 1 by ABC is equal to 1 by B minus 1 by A minus 1 by C. I can write, am I right? These two are moved to the right hand side. Then if I take in the LCM on right hand side, what I am getting, ABC is the LCM. Denominators are B, A and C. So that's why ABC is the LCM. So on the numerator part I am getting AC minus BC minus A. So this ABC and ABC get cancelled here. Why? Because all are the non-zero real numbers only. That's why I can cancel it. So that's why it is finally left with 1 is equal to AC minus BC minus A. So from this, what I am doing here is, in these two terms B is there. If I taken B as common, I am getting B into A plus C is equal to AC minus 1. That means B can be written as AC minus 1 by A plus C. So keenly observe this relation here. A into C minus 1 by A plus C. So what we can expect the substitution here is, if A is equal to cot alpha and C is equal to cot beta, then cot alpha into cot beta minus 1 by cot alpha plus cot beta, this can be written as cot alpha plus beta. So and some trigonometric substitution is required here. So that's why by observing this one only, we have to get the substitution idea. Either logarithm substitution, if it is simplified for the logarithm substitution, or it is simplified for the trigonometric substitution, or it is simplified for other substitutions, exponential or whatever. So here trigonometric substitution makes it simplified. So that's why put A is equal to cot alpha and C is equal to cot beta. I am substituting here, so that B is cot alpha plus beta. So these three are the substitutions. Now coming to our problem part, we have to find the maximum value of this expression. So I am taking that part here. That means 4 by A square plus 1 plus 4 by B square plus 1 plus 7 by C square plus 1. If I substitute A is equal to cot alpha, so the denominator part is 4 by cot square alpha plus 1. Here this is 4 by B value is cot alpha plus beta. So that means cot square alpha plus beta plus 1. Plus 7 by C value is cot beta. So that means cot square beta plus 1. Relation between cot theta and cosecant theta, we know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. That means cot square theta plus 1 is nothing but the cosecant square. Cosecant is nothing but 1 by sin theta. That means reciprocal of sine. So all are in the denominator only. So that's why this can be written as 4 sin square alpha plus 4 sin square alpha plus beta plus 7 sin square beta. I can write cosecant square in the denominator part. This is the cosecant square alpha. So 1 by cosecant square alpha with sin square alpha. That was the use there. Then this can be written as 4 into sin square theta. Here also 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 can be written as sin square theta. Or 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2. These type of problems are very important in trigonometry. So that's why I am substituting in place of cos square theta 1 minus cos 2 theta 2 alpha by 2 here. 1 minus cos 2 alpha by 2. I can substitute based on this. Here also the same thing. 4 into 1 minus cos. Here alpha plus beta is there. 2 theta. That means 2 times alpha plus beta. That means 2 alpha plus 2 beta. By 2. I value that one as usual. Or I can substitute here 1 minus cos square theta. Why? Because here cos 2 alpha and cos 2 alpha plus 2 beta is there. If I apply these two, I can get that one. Or we can write that at the end, that part. That means here this 2 times it will go 2 table. Here also 2 times. So what is the constant part here? 2 plus 2 plus 7. 2 plus 2 plus 7 is 11. In these two terms, here it is minus 2 cos 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha. Here it is minus 2 into cos of that one. Minus 2 is taken as common. I am getting cos 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus cos 2 alpha I am getting here. In these two terms, if minus 2 is taken as common, here minus 2 into cos 2 alpha, minus 2 into cos 2 alpha, minus 2 into cos 2 alpha plus 2 beta, minus 2 is taken as common, I am getting this sum. Why? Because again I can use cos c plus cos d form. That's all. So here it is left with minus 7 cos square beta. So then 11 minus 7 cos square beta minus 2 into this part. Cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. If I apply that formula, cos 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 alpha. 4 alpha plus 2 beta by 2. That is 2 alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta by 2. This one, this if I subtract 2 alpha get cancelled, 2 beta by 2. Cos beta I will get here. That's why I written here 1 minus cos square beta. Why? Because here cos beta are there. That's why I substituted here in place of sin square beta, I substitute 1 minus cos square beta. If I written 1 minus cos 2 alpha by 2 also, that formula applied there, it cannot be simplified. So our aim is to simplify the given expression. That is the important motto always. Keep in your mind. Simplification is important in algebra part. So if you substituted, as usually here also 1 minus cos 2 alpha by 2 substituted here. Here also if you substituted 1 minus cos 2 beta by 2, then the problem will become a complicated. It cannot be simplified. That part you have to remember in your mind. So this is the expression here. So I am substituting. Suppose put cot beta is equal to x. Cos beta value is x, and this that means here I will substitute. Here the substitution of the important thing. What I am substituting is cos 2 alpha plus beta as 7x by 2 I am substituting. 7y by 2. Why I substituted like that here? Why I substituted this as a 7y by 2 means, see what it happens. The expression will become 11 minus, here this is 7x square. And here 2 by 7, that means multiplied by 7 and 7, I am getting 7y by 2. If it is 2 by 7, 2y by 7 is substituted here. Then if it is multiplied by 7 and divided by 7, what I am getting is 2 by 7 into this one. 2 by 7 into this, this one, 7 by 2, exactly 7 by 2 only. But cos alpha by 2 can be written as 7 by 2 here. So 2 and 2 get cancelled, I am getting minus 14y, xy I am getting, right? This is x, this part is y. Why? Because what I did is, I multiplied divided by 7. Cos 2x plus y into cos 2 alpha plus beta into this one. So cos 2 alpha plus beta is 7 by 2. So 7 by cos 2, this is 7 by 2. In this place, if I substitute 7 by 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled here. So 1, 7 and 7 get cancelled. I am getting minus 14. This is y and this is x. So minus 14 cancelled. Why I substituted, this is the important thing. Why I substituted means I can write this as 11 minus, this can be written as minus 7 into x plus y whole square minus, this is minus 7x square minus 7y square. If I substitute 7y square here plus 7y square, then minus 7x square minus 7y square plus 7y square cancelled, minus 7 into 2x minus 14. So if I substitute this one, I can write this as this expression. That means in x plus y whole square and some y square some I can write it. So that's why this simplification part is important. Substitution part is important. What is the maximum value we asked? This is the expression. This expression is changed to this one now. What is its maximum value we have to find? Maximum value means when it is possible means x plus y equal to 0 is possible. X is equal to minus y. If I substitute x is equal to minus y, it is possible. And also what is the maximum value of y here? Y maximum value. Y can be written as y is equal to 2 by 7 into cos 2 alpha plus beta. What is its maximum value? Cos theta maximum value is 1. So its maximum value is 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is the maximum. So maximum value is possible at x is equal to minus y is equal to 2 by 7. Then this part will be cancelled. Why? Because this is a positive quantity always. Maximum quantity we want means this is a positive quantity. If it is 0 only, I can get this sum. If it is more than 0, that means this is a positive quantity always. Minus 7 is there. Minus 7 into something, we have to subtract from this sum. We will get ultimately then not the greatest sum we will get here. So to get the greatest sum, this part should be equal to 0. That's why x is equal to minus y. I substitute here. But y is the maximum value is 2 by 6. So maximum value is obtained at x is equal to minus y is equal to 7. Hence maximum value, required maximum value of the expression is, this part is become 0. 11 plus 7 into y square. Y value is 2 by 7 already. That means 4 by 7. 2 by 7 plus. What value I will get here? If I substitute that value, what I am getting here is 11 plus 7 into 4 by 49. So if the LCM is taken, 49 into 11 plus 7 into 4 by 49. So in the numerator part, 7 is common here. This can be written 7 into 7. So if 7 is taken as common, 77 plus 4 I am getting here by 49. This 7 times it will go. That means 77 plus 4 is 81 by 7. That That is the maximum value of the given expression. That is the maximum value of the given expression. So see, what are the synopsis points I applied here means, first the simplification. Always simplify the given expression. Then we will get a relation between A, B and C. Then go for the substitution. Which substitution is possible? Which substitution makes that simple? We are always keep in our mind algebra problems. The simplification part is important. For which substitution, that will be simplified. That only you have to keep in our mind. So this is of the form cot alpha cot beta minus 1 by cot alpha plus cot beta. Trigonometric substitution is simplifies. So that's why I substituted A is equal to cot alpha and C is equal to cot beta, so that I got B is equal to this one. Then I substitute the values of A, B and C in the given expression. We have to find the maximum value of this expression so that it simplifies. This part is important thing. Next, substitute. Why I substituted this one? Because here I am getting the cos beta part. That's all. That is the second important point. Then here this substitution. This is the third important step. These three steps are important to solve this type of question. Whenever you got a mistake, it will become very hard question. It will become very hard. If I substitute that or this is not possible, or you can't get this idea. Why I got this one means, here I can write this part as 7 into x plus whole square plus 7. That's why I use that thing. Okay. So this is the algebra question. That means trigonometric substitution in algebra simplification. So this question belongs to algebra part only. So that's why trigonometric relations are important. Trigonometric relation formulas related to trigonometry. Here I use the three trigonometric formula. Cot alpha plus beta I apply. Then cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And also sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. And sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Then cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Then the maximum value of cos theta value is minus 1 and 1. The cos alpha range from minus 1 to 1. Maximum value is 1. These parts I use it here to solve this question. Okay. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we will meet with a plain geometry question. Like, share and subscribe. Bye. Bye.